All right, today I'm going to tell you a story about a plumber who dominates Chattanooga for water heaters and has a great life, and he's my friend and a great client. Chattanooga Water Heater Co. is one of the first guys to use DataPins. And the things I like about Travis is that he did what we asked him to do and marketed it. And I know this may sound silly to you, but even out of all the contractors out there, I've done this. I was a contractor. It's a long story. I won't bore you with it, but now it's been 15 years and we have hundreds of clients, and I've talked to tens of thousands of contractors, plumbers, HVAC over the years. And 99+% won't market properly. Even ones that are fairly successful will stop and slow down. And what they don't realize, and what I know, is that they left so much money on the table, but not this guy. And I have more than this guy, but he's just one of my favorites because he just relentlessly did what we asked him to do. I think he's at close to 4,000 DataPins now. And it doesn't matter what you type in Chattanooga. Normally you have to put the word repair, replace, or something, because that identifies to Google that someone's looking not just for like a water heater to buy, but they're looking for a technician. So they're pretty smart about it in Google or whoever. And this guy, you type in anything. I don't care if it's 40-gallon expansion tank, overnight tankless water heater, ream, whatever it is. And it's just, this guy's on top of rankings and does hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of water heaters per year and has a great life there. But he did those pins. We did our job for SEO. We continue to work on DataPins and upgrade it, which he uses on every single job. And if something comes up for water heater there, he shows up and has consistently gotten better and better and better. And it is a cherry thing to be doing this type of a business. That's a town, just so you know, of a metro area of about 500,000 people. And he continues to grow year by year. But he actually did these pins, did the other side of it, and very few people continue marketing and not stopping it. So you're a digital brand, and if that base is good, the website design, the code, the content, the good SEO, like some links, domain authority citations, work on the Google map, and updates and changes to the website, combined with DataPins that now does photos, geo-coordinate, caption to relevant page on the site, readable by Google and AI now, and then also now video versions on their own YouTube account where you can do that version of it, and now it's readable on YouTube, which further synergizes the places that do get you a lead and show you in ranking. And it goes without saying for me, but people think about it and go, I just want to show up in map placement. Well, fine, but that has to do with the overall brand. How well is it signaling? Is it a good user experience? A data pin about a ream water heater replacement is very relevant to somebody in that market. It's like, we did this job here. And Google's like, oh, you work on ream? We do. We work on Navian and Renai and all these other ones too, and replace this part and fix that problem. Go, oh, you did that? Yeah, we do it every day. And we continue showing you. So it's been like 6 or 7 years now of this client doing this, and the return on it and the domination is ludicrous. Wish they were all like Travis. Wish every client, a lot of people, even ones that we have, start, stop, quit. I'm in here today doing videos for my own company. I don't stop. I have before, but I don't anymore because it's damaging. So if I'm busy like I have been all year long, I always market. I never stop that marketing. And what happens when you don't stop marketing, you send good brand signaling, you dominate the living hell out of a market and you have a good life, the phone rings. I mean, it's simple, but very few do it. I've got hundreds of great clients. This guy is a beast about it, and it's not anything difficult. DataPins take 60, 90 seconds to do one, but he does them, and he doesn't stop, and he dominates, and he kills it. I love it. I love that type of success story. Guys, you're looking for something like that, call us. We'd love to hear from you and help you out too.